Hey guys, what's up? I'm back in another video with Shotgun and
What up?
AJ. We're gonna play scary shawarma.
Now, sadly, I don't have their skins. I don't know how they even got it, but
We got
this.
these from an old battle pass.
But at least
Wait,
I
that's
have
the
this.
McDonald's logo. That's the old McDonald's. That's the McDonald's logo.
Wait, hold on, guys. Should I equip Skull Trooper real quick or no?
I don't know. You can't. There's nothing.
You know the old.
Okay.
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Step
BRB,
1,
guys.
turn on the grill. Customers just love their shawarma hot.
Oh, hold on, I have one for you. I'm hitting these drums.
Okay. Let's lock in.
Great.
Now I have
Now,
0 in this
window
game.
and let everyone know you're ready.
How do I open the window? Oh,
Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules. They're super friendly, just like we are.
My income is $0.
Pepsi. I really want some Pepsi.
Hey, what are the rules?
And while you wait, feel free to watch TV or listen to the radio. Music
The
keeps the
smart
mood
customer
up.
comes in hands on the
Friendly
stove.
reminder,
If a
don't
truck
look into
driver
their
gives you a
eyes.
gift, do
It's more
not
fun
open
that way. Have
Okay,
a
guys.
wonderful shift. Smile, serve, and everything will be just perfect. They're already on their way.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna read the rules to you guys, alright?
Okay.
If a smiling customer comes in, hand him a soda. So he's smiling, hand him a soda. If a truck driver gives you a gift, do not open it, alright? Every Friday around 2 a.m., a car with no driver will arrive. That's the inspection. Wait until he leaves the spotted, blah, blah, blah.
Should we serve the customer?
Serve
I'm
him,
back, guys.
serve him. Who's back? Hang on. If a faceless man tries to order, serve him. Never look directly at his face. But he's... Bro, just serve him, bro. Let's just serve him.
Yeah. Okay, I'll get the ingredients. You put it on.
You should the meat on the skewer begin to pulse and moan, kill the fire and leave versus say in the meal. They only want you to stay. Some customers must not be served at all. Just close the window immediately. But who do we not serve? This guy?
Oh no.
Hey, here's your entertainment.
We can quit.
No, I'm giving him entertainment, bro.
Me too.
Yeah, give him entertainment. Give him entertainment. No, what do you guys do? What do you guys have to actually do?
Lock in. Guys, lock in.
Press the roll it, boy. And give it to him. Oh, 300 XP? 3,000? That's good.
And if there's a smile,
If anyone
customer,
is
give them a
faceless
soda.
coming,
If there's a smiling customer, then give them a soda. Who keeps turning off the lights?
Hi, chef. A full shawarma as usual.
Okay.
Shawarma at
So hold on, let me do this. Wait, what do I? Wait, I don't know how to do this. Seriously though.
Let me just do it. I actually know how
Yeah,
to
yeah.
do it.
I'm the guy who closed it. If anyone has a is faceless, just tell me close. That's the secret. That's the word. And then I'll just close it. All right.
how about tablecloth because it has. How about? Yeah, you close. You
Thanks,
close.
bro.
You're a big back. There's a girl coming.
All right. She has a face. She has face.
We're good.
I'm coming home from a dance.
All right, I'm the entertainment. I'm entertaining.
My burger is good.
On. Alright, hold on. I'm the entertainment. This will entertain.
Roll.
Thank you.
But what
Have
was
a good
that?
evening.
You have a horrible evening.
No, like, actually, what was that noise?
I don't know.
Okay, shotgun. So focus on the red button. Who the frick is that? Close it.
Oh, hold on. Cameras? Wait, there's cameras. Good now.
Hey guys, no. You gotta check the cameras first.
Who be the camera checker?
Good evening. I'd like a shawarma without sauce.
Alright, entertainment.
It's a Roma, it's a swap.
Hold on, I'm gonna entertain them.
He said with no sauce.
No sauce? You mean extra sauce? Okay. Re-roll it now? Oh, we need the meat, obviously. But have you guys ever tried shawarma in your life though?
No.
Pretty good.
No, I never even tried it.
No, I've
Well-
never tried it in real life.
It's basically just a sandwich.
Thanks. Perfect for my diet.
You're fatty.
Oh, hello, little monster thing.
Who's
Look
gonna
at
check
him.
the cameras?
How do you do that?
It's just the TV. Your cameras.
Who be the door shutter?
I'll be like this. Close.
Who is
The
that?
same shawarma as last time, with a nice cold can of soda.
Alright.
Why is bro
Don't
dancing?
serve him yet. Don't serve him yet. Don't serve him yet.
Why?
Okay. Serve him. I'm dancing with you. Hey.
Hey guys, this little jump. Hey guys, there's a jump scare thing in the shop,
Dude, walk
and it only costs. Alright, I'm checking cameras. Wait, what is he? Wait, hold on. Why is he dancing? On the cameras, he's dancing. Is he dancing in real life too?
Yes.
Oh, he is. Alright, hold on.
Thank you. I hope my dance helped you create your best shawarma.
Bro,
Bruh.
your dance helped me. Shit. BRB, guys. I'm gonna throw my
I
foot
steal a
out.
soul. I like souls. Get over here. Oh no, he disappeared. Why did he disappear?
please.
That's Mr. Beast. That looks like Mr. Beast.
Holy crap! Mr.
Excuse
Beast,
me?
give me all your money. Mr. Beast, give me all your money.
Hey guys, have you guys not noticed the little monster thing right here?
What monster thing?
I have.
Under you.
Grab.
And you just said nothing about it?
Do not go outside.
I'm the outside. I bet what's grass?
Literally.
Thank you so much. I've been waiting for this.
Dum 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 dum. Alright, time the camera.
What the frick?
Oh,
someone's
this
coming.
is this. If they look weird,
I
don't
would
serve
like
them.
to order a shawarma. I hope it will be done with love.
Shut up.
Do not
He
press.
looks like a normal. I'm the old man.
Yeah, I
But
know.
why is there such a small shawarma right here?
Oh yeah. Hold on, wait. Who are we playing with again?
What the? What the frick?
Oh. Sup. What here, everyone?
So, wait, is your channel still running?
Yeah.
Like, is the video still running?
Yep.
Oh,
Take the meat. Rolling.
if you guys don't subscribe,
Thank you for the service. See you next
I have a
time.
sniper on your location. They have
We did it. If they look weird, don't serve them.
Alright.
Yeah, keep an eye on the red button, someone.
Truck driver, if he gives us a gift, do not open it. Do not open it. Close!
Shut the lights off. Shut the lights off.
No. No, 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 no.
Don't
No,
take
why?
it.
No, don't take it.
Don't take it, bro. Don't take it. I have hatred for you if you take it, bro. That's like a hatred. Hatred is my middle name, bro.
Put it under the counter.
Isn't
Let's
that
continue serving.
only humans?
Let's continue serving.
Demons. There's no
Bye,
demons.
big back truck driver.
Yeah, big back.
Does he have no face? What the?
He looks like he has no face.
He has a face. He has a face. He has a face.
Good.
Wait, does he? I can't see it.
He. Wait, it's the same old dude.
Make me a shawarma, baby.
Oh, nope.
What the?
What the
heck?
frick? I like this.
Can you give me your shawarma, please?
Big back. No, I'm gonna beat you up, big back. Get over here.
Based on the lavish.
Hey, get over here, big back. We're following you. We're following you, little boy.
Adam,
This will
Yeah.
scare you.
come back inside.
I am.
Why?
Thank
What?
you. All of this has tired me out.
He's weird. Don't serve him. Oh, you served him. I have hatred for all of you.
Close it! Close it!
No.
It's still
Turn
there?
off the light. It's still there. It's still there.
Don't know.
Bro.
Check the camera. It's still there. Don't open it. It's still there. It just flew up.
It flew up. How?
It just floated up.
Alright.
Close it! Close it! Close it!
Wait, what was it? What was it?
That's the thing. That's
Facebook?
what? Sorry, I'll be a little bit left. Okay.
Yep. Was that a faceless guy?
Yes.
I want to see what his face looks like.
Look at him. Look at him.
What the?
See? I'll serve him.
Let me
No
see.
serving for that guy.
I didn't see. Let me see what his face looks like.
Oh, get.
What the fuck?
For God's sake.
What are you?
You say? Finally. Great. Weird customers will be gonna get. Close it. Close it. Close it. Make sure that thing doesn't get in the front, the back. No, no, it came for us.
Hello, a special homemade
Wait, hold on.
shawarma, please.
Wait, is that the
Wait,
same?
that sounds like I show speed.
Your ball! Bro, keep it open!
I don't like this
He's
guy.
not weird. He's
He's normal.
I know, I just don't like him. I just really don't like him. They look weird.
Nice.
I put everything on, you guys just do whatever. You guys, get the stuff and I'll just put it on. You roll.
Thank you. We're going to have a feast.
I put laxatives in there just so you know.
big back.
Every night at 2, it's 3 a.m. Every night at 2 a.m. There's a truck driver.
What the? Close it. Close
Close
it.
it.
Close
Close
it.
it. Close it.
Close it. He has 2 hands.
Yeah.
No, keep
Yeah.
your lights on.
We should hey guys, the big thing, it's getting bigger. Hey, the thing is being bigger, just saying, so, I'm not gonna watch for that.
He left.
Oh
Watch
yeah,
that
this
on.
dude is.
Oh, who's this girl?
I see you, buddy. I'll check the cameras.
Good evening. I would like a
No, she
hot
looks
shawarma.
ugly.
She looks normal.
Honestly, no, she looks ugly.
Broski,
Dude,
open it.
open it.
She's
Sorry
ugly.
about that. Or stupid. If you close it, this thing grows, right?
Hey, do you guys not see the little big thing
Yeah, I can see it.
that I'm humping?
What? Stop.
Nothing. I'll be
Thank you
your
very much.
idol.
Have a good evening.
I'm sorry, I just watched K-pop Demon Hunters again, so kind of just getting over songs are still stuck in my head. Alright, I'll be the outside
I
guy.
don't like K-pop. I don't like it. It's-
Bro, you look ugly. Now this guy
Hi,
looks
can I order
ugly.
a
Don't
shawarma
serve
with
him.
a can of soda?
He's normal.
Got it. Let's go.
Who's that?
BRB, guys. BRB. What the frick? Oh, someone bought that. Somebody bought that.
You guys deserve that, bro.
What did we do to you? I thought there was a clown coming. I thought that dude
No,
was a
no.
clown.
Yeah. Oh, hello, big thing. I'm a hump you now.
Thank you. You did a good deed.
We don't do it. Alright, we're making good choices, but he is like halfway through, so we might want to do something about that.
Like lock in. Husky?
Shawarma after a nice little jog.
Oh, she's weird. She's weird.
No, she's
Yeah, I
ugly.
agree. Oh,
No, she's
oh,
no, she's just ugly.
how ugly can you be? I'll do it.
Husky!
She's weird.
No, she's not.
She tilted
she
her
has a weird
head
face.
back. Weird.
Oh, yeah.
Let it close, bro.
So
Let
it's
us
only-
confuse the customer, for God's sake. Let us
Hey,
refuse
bro.
customers.
It's a thingy, blah, bro.
No one there.
It grew.
No, it didn't, bro. It was just right there. It was exactly like that, bro. Oh, a
quick
vapor.
shawarma
A
and
fellow
soda before I
vapor.
go.
He's normal.
Yeah, he's normal. He just vapes. He just, I guess, normal.
Yeah, we skip it. Mm-hmm.
He likes bread. Yeah, close that door. Like, get in, boy.
Guys, do not go in the back. There is something in the back.
What do you mean?
So don't go in the back. Don't go in there. There's something in the back.
What do you mean? But it's nothing. What do you... Oh, that! Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Bro, let us in, you idiot!
What's back here?
Oh, cool. I'm level 219.
Truck driver.
Close it. Close the door.
Ooh, actually, yeah.
Eat a shawarma quickly.
Oh, she's a nurse.
Hold on.
She's a normal person.
Hold on, let me just do something real quick.
She's a nurse. She's a normal person. Just let her. Let's just serve her. She's a nurse.
What? The Sigma.
Hey, yo, are you raising her up?
$50 for a shawarma? Roll.
Thanks, I
Yeah.
eat it after work.
It's gonna be freezing cold, bro.
I'm back. I
This
don't know who
street-
that. I don't know who that guy
The shift
was.
is
But I'm
over.
back. I'm doing the good.
Play again.
Yeah, play again. Alright, alright guys, you know what I want to do? I want to get the monster to actually get all the way up, you know?
Yeah. So let's not serve anybody.
Yep. But serve the unnormal guys, alright? Because that's what makes him come out.
Wait, how are we gonna?
Alright, is the video still running?
We actually
Who's
cooked.
the party leader? Adam, go on, yeah, go on. Do it. Put it on.
Looney, is the video still running?
Yup.
Can you please cut the last scene out?
Why?
No one while I was doing this. Dance or else.
Everyone dance or else you're gay. Adam's gay. Haha, you're gay.
First one to do the gritty is gay.
Go back to lobby, everyone. Never mind. Never.
I don't have to go to the lobby. We can just ready up.
Okay.
So we're gonna
Oh.
play again.
So everyone watching, make sure to give me your soul, or else I'll kill you. I have a sniper on your location. Your family already palled. Nothing to do now, bro. You like and subscribe.
No.
So as the last thing you do.
Yepperoo. I shall speed for me.
Kim Kardashian. Hey, how do you change your?
Who the freak is that? Oh, this is public.
Kick this guy. Kick this guy.
This is public. We actually don't do
Welcome
this.
to your night shift at
Okay.
Shop Green.
Wait, wait.
Let everyone know you're ready.
Nah, get me out of here. Get me
Before
out of here.
serving, and while you wait,
I'll
feel
just-
free to
I'll just
watch
be right
TV
here.
or listen to the
With
radio.
Mr. Alien dude.
Music keeps the mood up. Friendly reminder, don't look into their eyes. It's more fun that way. Have a
Well, I'm just
wonderful
gonna be right
shift.
here.
Smile, serve, and
We're gonna watch
everything will
TV.
be just perfect. They're already on their way.
Give me one. How's you guys, peace? I'm out. Nah.
Once she gets
Hey
here,
guys.
let's be close.
Hey guys, we got customers.
Oh, I'm not serving you.
Oh, let me in. I just
Make
want
me a shawarma, baby.
this one be
No.
customer. No, the skeleton dancing. The skeleton dancing. I'm going the boys. Please, when the boys dancing. Alright, guys.
Oh my
You're
god.
starting to have fun.
To be honest with you guys, that was only for the Kim Kardashian person, bro. There was just, scare one person, you know? Well, I think I'm immune to jump scares, you know?
I am not serving you.
Nah, bro, he's normal!
Let's
Yo,
not
where's
serve
the Kim
anybody.
Kardashian?
Let's not serve
Hold on, where's
anybody.
Wait, hold on, guys, where's the Kim Kardashian?
Guys,
Hey, guys, open up. I need my shawarma. Need my shawarma.
AJ, Haynes is on.
go. I'm not inviting him. Bro, kick him. Kick him. Kick him. Pie.
I'm
he's scaring everybody.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
In front of me like that.
Oh, are you talking about the other person or me?
Haynes, as long as
What?
we
Haynes,
don't
kick
play
Haynes,
Steel
kick
Burnout, as long
Kick
as we
Haynes.
don't play Steel Burnout, and you choose Steel Burnout, If
Yeah,
you
but he's
choose
just
Steel
annoying.
Brainer, I'm actually gonna kick you,
Oh.
Haynes.
Bro, you invited.
Hello. Would like a very fresh shawarma, please.
Not choose it.
No,
Nah,
that,
turn that guy off. Turn that.
Granny, this is your revenge.
Bro, it's not.
This
Bro, it's
kiosk
not even a
always closed
granny.
too early.
Look. Oh, it is a granny.
Wait, he's not gonna have a face. He does not have a face. I don't think he does. Let me see.
I'm the guy's entertainment. Real quick. I'm the entertainment, alright?
Now, what? It's a 6'7" kid.
Let's serve him. Let's serve
I
him.
wanna film a video. I wanna record him.
Let's serve him.
6'7". Broski, I'm trying to film it.
Broski, stop. Stop.
6'7". 6'7".
Now I'm gonna kill this guy. Get over here, boy. Let me show you what. 1987.
Stop serving him.
You know what 1987 did to me, boy?
Stop serving him. Stop serving him.
Oh my gosh.
My God. Adam, stop serving him. We're trying to do the thing, remember? Adam, stop.
I just
6'7"
want to see
kid has
what
wings.
happens if I serve him.
Bro, he's running away, bro. Just open the door. He's out.
What the frick?
Serve that. We're gonna serve that guy. He looks pretty normal.
Yeah.
He's the clown.
Yeah,
Hey
so.
guys,
Yeah, let's serve him.
see a big monster forming?
I'll have a nice, crispy shawarma.
No. I'm going inside. I'm about to close stuff.
Let's see what
Broski,
happens. if
no,
we-
we gotta serve this guy. We gotta serve this guy.
We gotta serve this guy, bro.
Broski,
Oh, yeah,
did you
we
not
did.
hear?
No, the
Wait, I just
viewers want
realized.
to see
We
what
want to
happens
serve the blind people.
if we serve
Wait,
the
remember-
clown.
Wait, guys.
Viewers want
Remember
to see
when we
what
went-
happens.
Yeah, oh yeah, I totally forgot. Sorry. Maybe we'll get the clown jump scare.
To go up? Oh. That was the normal guy.
Why is there a fire extinguisher? Dun-dun-dun-dun. Why is there a small shawarma right here? Yep.
No, we're supposed to serve her, remember?
Oh yeah,
let's
serve the
just
bad
serve
people.
her.
Serve the bad people. Serve the weird people. Like
Serve the
me.
weird people.
Like me. Or am I too weird? What, am I too weird for you?
AJ.
You too.
Hello, I want to be served.
You're fat.
Hey, do you
Get
guys
back
see
in
the
here.
big monster behind you?
That looks
You
like
guys
a
should probably
normal
do something
person.
about that.
Yeah, it's just a normal thing. It's just a decoration.
Okay,
It was a real
can I
person,
get-
but
can I
then
get
we chopped the
shawarma?
sides off.
Wait, why is the weird guy
No.
coming towards me? Shawarma, please. Shawarma.
Let's not.
I'm gonna
Same
work
shawarma as
here.
last time, with a nice cold can of soda.
No.
The
Don't
customer
serve him.
is running.
Don't serve him.
I'll check
Sure,
the
it's because
cameras.
you didn't like my dance.
Hold on, do not look at the monster.
He's gone.
No, just don't look in the place he is.
What? Bro, I wanna see. Move. Oh my.
I just don't want to die to him, bro.
We're not gonna serve her.
Don't serve.
Sorry, but you're gay.
Hey guys, I think after we not serve this person, we should probably run.
Hey, why is the store closing right in front of me now?
Hey, what about the guy now?
It's literally just his toes that are stuck. Okay.
Nope. No.
Keep it close. Keep it close. And just run. Oh my god.
Bruh, that wasn't even scary.
I'd like a shawarma without sauce.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stand outside
Extra
here.
sauce.
I'm not dying today.
Okay. I'm checking the
You're gonna
cameras.
die, bro. Bro, you're gonna die. You're actually gonna die, bro.
Checking the cameras.
Do not look at camera 1.
Broski, you're still in there?
He is, bro. Run. Get out of there. Oh, leave. Leave, little boy.
I'll
Leave.
open it.
No. Yeah, you close that little door, boy.
It's better for my
Are we all
diet.
outside? Are we all outside? Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
We are.
I'll be your sacrifice.
Please, be the sacrifice, bro.
I got 8 in.
That was scary. Wait, how did we get a different ending? So,
No, we already did the different ending.
We did the good ending
so there's 4 endings.
and the bad
There's
ending.
4.
ending.
Bro, there's 4 endings.
Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it,
Subscribe or I'll blow up your house.
and peace.